Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the video reel to commemorate the Navratri day. And for the people and also our viewer, our friend who are commemorate and celebrate the Navratri, we wish you happy Navratri day guys. And since we would like to create the video reels, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we will use to create this video is CapCut here, and I am also accessing it with my Android phone. And you can also prepare, let's say, several picture or the animation or the video from your gallery and related to about the Navratri day or the Durga goddess. And for example, I have prepared four clip here or four clips here, and all of them I have make it into the, let's say, the clip or video from the grok. And basically it is very easy. You can start to generate a picture like Durga goddess, and after that you can select which one the picture that you would like to create it, and after that you can click the button to make it into the video, and after that the video will be ready and the duration usually will be 5 seconds. And I have also import all of this picture or this clip into this section, and also don't forget to prepare the song that you would like to import into this section. For example, I have prepared the song here, and also don't forget to mark the beat as usual. For example, I will show you the piece of this song like this. मस्तक पर चंद्र की घंटा झलके सिंह सवारी रण में दमके. So you can start to select or click add beat, which to the part that you would like to add the effect, let's say, or the transition effect. And after that you can simply apply to it. And I'm sorry in advance about the, let's say, the delay in my cell phone, but I will keep showing you the tutorial guys, don't worry. And after that you can put the or setting the duration of every single clip following the beat over here. For example, in the first clip there will only 3.9 seconds following the beat here, and after that the second clip will have also the same length or the duration as the first clip guys, and you can do the same for the rest of the clip. And after that, this is the fun part, we can start to do the experiment with the effect. I will show you like this. So in this first opening, I will use the opening name repeat shake or repeated shake effect, and also I put the several keyframe. On the first keyframe, as you can see that the intensity will be, you can adjust it to be 40 or 38. It is okay, at least in the first glance the intensity of the shakiness would be very high. And after that you can also start to add the blurry effect too, like this. At the first glance the blurry effect will be very high, for example can be 73 or 72. It is okay. And you can move it to the in the middle of this effect. You can start to reduce the intensity of both for the blurry effect and also the shakiness or the shake effect. And after that you can reduce into the at or you can add the keyframe and start to reduce totally the intensity of the shake and also the blurry effect like this. And after that, on this layer, I will also add the transition effect named flash. You can find it here on the category of party and click flash here. And the another transition for the clip between the clip 2 and clip 3 will be the effect Astra like this. You can put it between this clip, and for the clip and the effect between the clip 3 and clip 4, I will put the effect sliding mirror. Sliding mirror. And I will go to the next layer like this. Between this effect of this repeated shake and flash, I will put the flashy dance, and I will also put the blank into the into this layer would be blank, but you can fill the blank or the effect with this flashy dance, and you can put the all of this blank effect or the rest of this clip with the flashy dance like this. You can put it into the last of the clip. And for the fourth clip, I will give the closing effect named the end. You can find it here on the category of the outro and intro and click the end like this. And the closing will be like this, guys. I will show you. So that will be the simple reel that you would like to create to also commemorate the Navratri day. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. And again, I wish you happy Navratri day. And also, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.